Hey, what's up? It's Crypto Joe, and welcome to Joe Knows the Cryptos. I don't know about you, but I had a pretty eventful week in the crypto space. It was actually a pretty good week. Very interesting things happened. I got into a new project yesterday I'm going to talk about, or 2 days ago, I'm going to talk about very briefly at the end. Returns were good. Some major changes in some of my favorite projects. I'm going to talk about all these. Let's get going. Okay, so first up, I'm going to talk about EazyBot. So EazyBot has been it's not an actual project. It's software that sends an API or a signal to your exchange where your money is kept to buy and sell crypto. Well, crypto went down a bunch this week and it was kind of flat. So that bot has not been working real well the last month or so. Actually, 5 weeks in a row. It's been pretty dismal. I do think I'm sprung loaded. So if the market does go up and gets a little bullish, I'll have a lot of great returns because I've had a lot of great trades in there as it goes up. I'll sell those trades. I'll realize profit. But right now, I'd say they're stuck in the trade. I could sell them at a loss, but I don't want to. I'm going to stay into them. And that's where I'm at with EazyBot. So this week had a pretty meager return. It was $2.57 on 3,004 traded. That's about a 0.085%. If you annualize that, it's about 4.5% annually. But that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for about 1% a week in EazyBot. And you can see here, I've had plenty of weeks where I've been there, and then it started to trail off when it's kind of been going sideways. So EazyBot, great software, great trading bots. It's just right now we're waiting for the market to move a little bit more, or at least have more volatility instead of being sideways. All right. So that's enough for that. Green figures. So green figures, a lot in the news with green figures this week. So green figures on, I believe it was Thursday, they said, look, we're tired of people requesting these $20 and $30 refunds. It's a lot of work to do that. So you can get out if you want. There won't be any unstaking tax. And if you get out, you're out. And if you stay in, you'll be locked up. If you get out, they're going to refund your money in 8 days or so from that time. But if you stay in, you're going to be locked in if you for 30 days after the end of the month. So if you try to get out in the beginning of the month, it's going to be like 60 days to get out. If you get out at the end of the month, it'll return your funds the next month. Now, not sure the real reason for this. It smells a lot like some of those other things from Manny and Michael. However, I don't know what to say. I see the trading bots crushing it on the, if you go to the live trades here, you're going to see these trading bots just absolutely crushing it. And so I'm like, well, and then last week, I mean, look at this, 100% gain. On Friday alone, there's like a 33% gain in most of these bots. And then on bot 7, it was like a 91% return. So Friday, the profits go from Friday to Thursday. So right now I'm about to take some profits. Let me see where they are. So green figures, I have about $411 staked. My return was $13.24. It was a 4% return, but they take some of the profit out. So I got 3.218% return, or $13.24 on my $411. I thought that's pretty good. That's a great return. Now, if what they're saying is true, and this happened on Friday, which it looks like it did, there's a big payout coming next week. I mean, it's a 33% payout. So that's incredible. It far and exceeds expectations on this project. This is a project I hope to get 2 to 3% per week. And that alone is, 150, 200+% return. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. I'm showing you what I am doing. If you want to do that, great. I have referral codes down below for all these. Only if you've made the decision you want to get into these projects because you like the risk. This is all risk capital. This is all high risk stuff. Good chance you're going to lose your money. So that's enough on that. So this green figures, it's been very consistent. If you look at my returns, so I've been in this for, 10, 11, 12 weeks now. And every week I've gotten very good returns. I've averaged, if you go here, I've averaged, in these weeks, I've averaged 3.79% return per week, which is really good. I mean, for me, I'm super happy with that. Is it a degen play? Of course it is. All these are. I don't recommend doing any of this stuff. If you're going to get in, it's because you like to risk your money. And if you do want so, Down below, there's some referral codes. I don't make a lot of money doing these videos. I think in referrals, I made like $10 last week, but I really appreciate that. So if you're going to do it, use my referral code. And if you're not, that's fine. If you heard it somewhere else, do it there. All right, next one up. So, my point about green figures is I didn't even hesitate. I decided to stay in the project. I'm not getting out of this project. I'm already at like 45% return. And if I get a 33% return next week, I'm 3/4 of the way to ROI. And I can see the trades, the live trades through the, MyFX book. You can go look at any of these single bots. Let's go look at this one bot. Boom. They had a huge hit on Friday. So, this one was going along at a normal pace later. Okay. And then it boom. So that is a little suspicious, but I don't know anything different, and we'll see what happens next week. It's worth the gamble. And that's what we're doing. Next up, Quopi. As you recall, last week, Quopi, the website was down. People thought they rugged. They didn't. They're still here. And as you can see, in the weeks I've been in Quopi, which is, let's pull up that handy dandy. As you can see here, Quopi I've been in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. I've averaged, well, I should say 5. This was one day. I have averaged in those 6 weeks, 10.31% return. That's what I've done. This past performance isn't necessarily indicative of future results. So in this one, you see 10.31%. This last week, 9.57% return. That was a $45 on $472. Very happy with that. What did I say here? 52% of the way to ROI. Halfway there, I have, how many stakes do I have left? Let's take a quick look at that. I have, I don't think it shows it. I've done 26 out of 30 stakes. Now, this is going to happen this week. I'm going to get to 30 stakes, and I'm going to have to make the decision. Do I stay or do I go? So I'm going to do that live this week. But right now I'm staying in, and well, obviously I have to. I got 4 more trades until I can get out. But I'm staying in this one. Not sure what I'm going to do yet this week. It's going to be dependent on a lot of factors, what the market's doing. But I don't know. It's going to be a gamble either way. I love the returns. I don't want to lose them. But we'll see. I'm going to do that on, what's that, Thursday? I'll be doing that on Thursday. I'll talk to you all about that then. And so that's Quopi. Now, finally, a lot of hype. There's a lot of YouTubers that I watch that I like. And a lot of them are in this new one. It's called the Money Tree. You've probably heard of it. So it started this week. I put $100 in. I've read the white paper. There's still a lot of questions I have on it, but basically it is a known, has known Ponzonomics. So therefore it doesn't make it a Ponzi, is what I've been told. And it's a game, and it's a gambling game. So are you going to win or are you going to lose? So I put $100 in on Thursday. And then today, I have a reward payout of $29.92 USDT. Now, I don't know if I claim that now or if I wait. I really don't even know the rules of this game. But so one thing they said is if you invite 3 people to contribute at your contribution amount to receive an instant 2 times using your affiliate link. So if I get 3 other people to match my $100 and use my affiliate link, I get to double this money. So I'd have a max payout instantly. And I could withdraw that. So what's in it for you? Well, use if you're going to get in, use my referral link. And then someone downline uses your referral link. Just keep pushing it downline. But for those, I don't know if I'm allowed to see the wallet, but if you put it under me, I'll give you some money back. I don't know what it is, but if your wallet address is there, I'll throw you some USDT back. How much? I don't know. Make me an offer. Let's see. I don't even care. Just sounds fun. But this is a game I could definitely see myself losing money in the long run. But why not? $100. Let's see what happens. There's a lot of hype. I think they call it a community project. If you go to let's go to the main page. It says a social experiment. Are you tired of rugs, backdoors, scammers, and crypto projects that flat out lie? Yes, so are we. Wanting something different, we took it into our own hands to create a people's protocol that is truly decentralized, trustless, and fun. And let's have fun with it. So as you can see here, it's been audited. The contract is set. It can't be changed from what I understand. So that's a good thing. It's developers can't backdoor, pull it, rug it, things like that. It's going to run its course using the algorithm and the development that they did on it. So that's pretty much it for this week. I've got, it was an exciting week in crypto. If you look at the returns, my overall return for the week, if you count in all these returns, weighted was 2.3%. That weighted return, 2.3%, if there's 52 weeks in a year, what is that? 104 plus the 0.3 times 52. I don't know. Doing public math really hurts my head. So it's like 220% annualized if I can hit this. That's really, really strong. I'm looking for 1 to 2% per week. That's a safe return on your money. But I'm going to be compounding that money and putting it back into the system because my goal is to grow this. I took $2,000. I'm trying to make it $100,000. I'm going to make that $100,000 $1 million. So watch me along my journey. That's all I got. Hope you tuned in, liked, shared, comment, and all those things. And I'll see you next time.